Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host Salik, and in today's news we have a character art set of a medieval style character by Saura, songs I found under the ocean, a music pack of 12 guitar tracks by Catch1101. In plugin releases for today we have a simple quest system for MV and MZ by Phoenix Kagedis, an MZ plugin by Toria Kontan that ignores image or audio related errors, so the game doesn't pause when an error pops up and you can keep playing. Another MZ plugin by Toria Kontan that records battle related stats, like number of times an actor used a skill or total damage done. An MZ plugin by Ricky that allows us to add film-like visual effects right from test play. Effects like bloom, tone mapping, tilt shift, and vignette effect. And lastly, a tutorial by Mirai of Nico Gakuen on deploying MV and MZ games with Electron. Deploying with Electron allows the game to run on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, all on the same build, and it makes the game perform slightly better. That is all for today. Go back to game making now.